What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a passkey to log in on DocuSign. So if you don't want to constantly use your password to log in each time, you can add a passkey to log in. And this is very easy to do because you can use the same passkey that you use to log into your PC. You can use it to log into other apps, make payments, and even to log into DocuSign. So that's very useful if you would like to use passkey. Now, how do you go ahead and add this in DocuSign? So once you're in your DocuSign account, click your account on the upper right, then click on Manage Profile. Under the Profile section here, you want to look to the left hand side and simply click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down a bit and you will see passwordless login. This passwordless login allows you to, for example, use a passkey, and you can easily go ahead and let's say turn this on. You want to go ahead and choose whichever option you want. So let's say you want to use a passkey, you can click on that option. This other way how you can actually do this is just simply click add passkey. Both options will allow you to log in. As you can see, I'm currently using incognito, and so the passkey will only be saved within incognito. So in your case, if you're logging in into your browser normally, it will save in your account as well. So you want to go ahead and just choose to turn it on, then choose passkey, click on next, and of course you want to go ahead and click on create. Or if you have passkey already set up, you want to go ahead and just go ahead and add those passkeys. So I'm going to click on create right here, and so it's going to ask me to enter. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that passkey, and as you can see right here, it's going to go ahead and save the passkey, and now it is enabled. So passkey is done. I'm going to click on save. So the next time I try to log in, then I will only use my passkey to log in, and I don't have to go ahead and use my password. Now, another way you can easily log into your account without using a password as well is by using recovery codes. If you don't remember your password, recovery codes allows you to basically log in using recovery code. But if you'd like to learn how to do that, there's another video on my channel here. You will be able to quickly find this within the playlist at the end of the video, how to use recovery codes. But it's super easy and super straightforward, right? But that's it. That's how to go ahead and use passkey or set up your passkey for DocuSign so that you can easily log in with that. Very easy and very simple.